morning. I am at work. I just had my morning classes and I have a short break and I'm going to grab some lunch. I actually decided to film today because kids are actually sleeping at grandma's house today. They miss grandma. Usually she comes to our house Friday nights to watch the kids at our house, and then we go to work in the morning, we come back quickly. But the kids were complaining like they never get to go to grandma's house anymore, so she kindly accepted them. But that means for us that we get to be alone tonight, which means that we're probably gonna go out on a little date or something. So that's kind of a special thing. Doesn't happen that often, so I wanted to film. Let's go grab something to eat. Hi. My last student just left. Actually, it went pretty well today, pretty smooth. So I just tidied up a little bit and I'm going to head back home. Jay's at home waiting right now, so I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm back home. Hello. Jay's mom made us 전복죽. 전복 is, okay, wait one second. We don't eat this in Canada, so it always...
Abalone.
Abalone. Abalone juk. So abalone rice porridge. And she also made us this spicy rib soup, fresh, the radish kimchi, fresh green onions, some pickles, and another type of kimchi. So a feast. I married into a good family. I got a good mother-in-law. Thank you. Anyways, we're gonna eat and figure out if we're just gonna chill, if we're gonna go out, what we're gonna do without babies. We have a very nice walk, but it's raining. And we walked very far from our apartment. So now we are about to get stuck in, I think, a heavy downpour. Fun. Even if we ran, it would take way too long to get home. So we'll just have to deal with it. Hi, we just got back from our walk. How was it? I actually really enjoyed it. We decided just to have one glass of, this is called highball this evening. Highball is like whiskey mixed with cider. So we're just, gonna have a drink. And then these days I'm watching a Korean drama called High Kick. Maybe Korean people know well. And it's really kind of old. Well, it's not that old, but when I saw it, I was like, oh, this is kind of old. I don't think I'm gonna like it, but it's super fun, so I'm really into it. So we're probably gonna watch that today. You wanna watch High Kick? 짠. Cheers. 짠.
맛있어.
I really like highball. Anyways, we're gonna chill out, and I guess I will see you guys tomorrow when we are reunited with our dongchorus. Hayden and Hannah. Bye bye.
Is this dog cute or It's cuter?
Hi, we came to the countryside. We picked up kids yesterday. We picked them up during their nap time and they fell asleep with Jay's parents, which was super cute. And now today's our family day, so we asked the kids what they want to do, and they said they wanted to go back to the countryside. So that's where we are today, back on Gangwado, Gangwa Island. You happy? You want to see Hina? Where's Hina? I think Hannah's going down the stairs too. Oh, Hannah's there. I see her. Hannah, hi. Hayden's looking for you. Hello.
앞에 잘 보고 앞에 잘 보고.
오.
얘들 앞에 보고 앞에 보고.
나 잡아봐요.
진짜.
아빠 나 잡아봐요. 아빠 나 잡아봐요.
Oh. Wow, Hannah's so fast. Wow, Hannah's so fast. Wow, okay, come back. Wow, you're so fast. Whee. 거기 왜 있어? Wow. Do you want to see a rooster hidden? But don't touch anything.
안 나와.
올라올 수 있어.
그때 언제 와서 벌 봐서 그런 거구나.
주실까요?
이거 들은 거 제일 검은 거. 똥이지.
고양아.
넌 손 닦고 하잖아. 얘는 이제 손 닦을 거니까는.
이따가 밥 먹고 또 봐.
Wow, that thing is a A snail.
만져주세요.
가만 좀
근데 이따
놓고
맘만 먹어. 야, 너
언니는 안 먹지? 너들 옷 맞아. 국자가 엄마 이거 국자가 오죠.
근데
그래서 안 꺼내준 거야.
와 달팽이 빠르다.
고기.
진짜 몸에 좋은 과일이다. 혜준아 해나야.
이거는 약도 하나도 안 치고. 이것도 약 하나도 안 쳤대. 그래서 상추.
약 상추를 왜 약을 줘?
진딧물 생겼더라고.
진딧물 생겼어?
아 저기 언니 가져.
저걸로 까만 거 먹을 거예요. 까만 거?
We just stopped by Jay's mom's brother's house, and now we're heading to Jay's father's
데려다 줄라나.
brother house. Do
한밭을 다 뜯었어.
you love the doggy?
집에 보내줄까?
상추가 이렇게 포기 졌는데 하나도 안 뜯어가지고.
근데 강아지 무서워.
여기가 강아지
돼지
생일
껍데기
집이에요.
그 갖다 주고
그치,
온다고
엄마?
갖다
음,
한마니.
이쁘지 강아지는.
어, 너무 잘해 아니야? 일하고 있는데. 하나는 완전 좋아해? 안 먹었어? 접시?
먹었어요. Everywhere they go, they eat.
진짜 없다.
먹히지도 않는데 억지로 서.
엄마 잡아봐.
우와.
엄마 잡아봐. 잡았죠?
응.
기저귀 찼어 해나 그래서?
Are you tired?
뭐 먹었다 그랬지? 그리고 냉장실에 놨어?
Hi, we are back home. Kids fell asleep in the car on the way back, so that was easy. We just brought them up and put them to bed. Yeah, today was family day, so usually Hayden and Hannah choose what they want to do. And I was expecting them to say like, oh, let's go to the park, or let's go to a kids cafe, or let's do something like this. But Hayden wanted to go to Kun Haraboji's house, so that's Jay's eldest uncle on his father's side. And Jay's mom likes going over that way too, so we gave her a call and she wanted to stop by her brother's house. So we ended up spending another day in the countryside. And yeah, I think maybe the last trip down there was like really, really fun for him. So he wanted to go back to that area again this weekend. But yeah, we had a really great weekend again. Nice air, nice weather, and kids had a lot of fun. It is now 9:30, 10 p.m. and I'm actually really tired. So I have my other day off tomorrow, Monday, but I actually am going to spend it preparing for the week. So I actually have a lot of work to do. So I think I'm just going to hit the hay early today. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are doing well. Stay healthy, stay happy, and goodbye for now.